Hello students, welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. This is Naresh Verma, your English teacher. Today's topic is narration. This topic is for class 9 to 12. So in narration, we will study direct narration and indirect narration. Direct narration has two parts, reporting verb and reported speech. The sentence of reported speech is always lying within inverted commas. The order of reporting verb and reported speech is not always in this way, but this is confirmed that reported speech is always within inverted commas. It may be in the beginning or at last of the sentence. So for changing from direct narration into indirect narration, there are certain rules. First rule is change of tense. I would like to mention here that change of tense occurs only in the part of reported speech, not in the part of reporting verb. When reporting verb is in past tense, only then we will change the tense of reported speech, and in the following ways. Suppose this is direct narration and indirect narration. Suppose the sentence of reported speech belongs to present tense of any part, like present indefinite tense. So the whole present tense will be converted into past tense, like present indefinite into past indefinite, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect into past perfect, and present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. Next is past indefinite tense. It will be converted into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense will be converted into past perfect continuous tense. And past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense will not be changed. So no change. And in future tense will be converted into would, and shall into should. May is changed into might, and can into could. So next rule is change of pronouns. How we will change the pronouns while converting into indirect narration? We will follow the rules of SON. S denotes subject, O denotes object, and N for no change. This part belongs to reporting verb, and the lower one part 1, 2, 3 belongs to reported speech. One means in personal pronoun, first person I and we, second person you, and third person means all all subjects except I, we, and you. All subjects are there except I, we, and you will not be changed. Okay. So suppose I and we and the related pronouns to I and we are given in reported speech part, those pronouns will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Okay. If the second person is given in the part of reported speech, it will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, and sometimes object is not given, so we will assume any third person pronoun or any other object, but it should not be first person. Okay. In the place of object, first person should not be there if first person is given in the place of subject. And third person will never be changed. Means except I, we, and you, all the subjects given in reporting verb will never be changed. Students, examples will be done in the next video. Okay.